Hi, in this video we will discuss about how we can hide the page or the dashboard tab in the Power BI reports. First, we are moving towards the Power BI desktop. In Power BI desktop, if you click on the hidden report page like this as shown in the image, then still you are able to see the page. It means in Power BI desktop, when you click the hidden report or hide the page, then even page is visible. But in Power BI service, when you are moving towards the hidden page, then the page number will be hide. In the desktop, can't fully disappear the tab while hiding in the desktop version. In Power BI service, when you click on the hide page in the desktop, then the pages will not appear, but the counting of the pages will be appear. If you don't want to see the counting of the pages will see towards your employers or the customers, then you move towards your workspace and click on the three dots next to the report and select settings. Scroll down to the e-pages pan and untick that box like in the picture. Thank you.